Hello everyone. So today we're going to solve this problem from the AIME 1983. This problem states, what is the product of the real roots of the equation x squared plus 18x plus 30 equals 2 times the square root of x squared plus 18x plus 45? Now I'm going to present you two solutions for this. So I'm going to call this solution number 1. Now, squaring both sides of the equation, we get x squared plus 18x plus 30 all squared equals 4 times quantity x squared plus 18x plus 45. Now I'm going to split 45 into two terms. So this is going to be 30 plus 50. Now I'm doing this because I want x squared plus 18x plus 30 to come out of the right hand side. So this becomes x squared plus 18x plus 30 squared equals 4 times x squared plus 18x plus 30 plus 60, because 15 times 4 is 60. Now I'm putting everything to the left hand side, so this becomes this equation. And now I'm gonna let y be equal to x squared plus 18x plus 30. So then the equation becomes y squared minus 4y minus 60 equals 0. Now I can factor this, so this becomes y plus 6 and y minus 10 equals 0. So thus y equals negative 6 or y equals 10. However, if we let y equals negative 6 here, and since y is equal to x squared plus 18x plus 30, this left hand side must be negative 6. So this must be negative. However, the right hand side is always positive because of this square root in the right hand side. So this is always positive. But since the left hand side is negative, this is a contradiction. So y cannot be equal to negative 6. So we pick y equals 10. Now I'm gonna go back to this x squared plus 18x plus 30. So this is equal to 10. And now x squared plus 18x plus 20 equals 0. Now I'm gonna check if the roots of this equation is real. So checking if the roots are real. So the discriminant of this, so the discriminant is 18 squared minus 4 times 20. So this is clearly greater than 0, so therefore the roots are real. Now we just need to find the product of the roots. So a technique here is using Vieta's formulas. So by Vieta's formulas, the product of the roots is c over a, which is 20 over 1, which is equal to 20. So this is our final answer. Now that is solution number 1, so I'm gonna show you solution number 2. I'm gonna go back to the original equation. So if we let this be y immediately, this is y plus 50. So the expression under the square root. So if we let y equals x squared plus 18x plus 30 immediately, so I'm putting it here, let y be equal to x squared plus 18x plus 30, then this becomes y equals 2 times the square root of y plus 50. I'm gonna solve for y, so squaring both sides, so this becomes y squared equals 4y plus 60, and this becomes y squared minus 4y minus 60 equals 0. So basically we get the same thing here. So this. So thus y equals negative 6 or y equals 10. But with the same reasoning as what I said earlier, y cannot be equal to negative 6 because the right hand side is always positive. So this is always positive, so the left hand side must also be positive. So y is not negative 6, y is 10. And substituting back to the x squared plus 18x plus 30, we get x squared plus 18x plus 30 equals 10, which is the same thing as solution 1. So this is x squared plus 18x plus 20 equals 0. And similarly, the product of the roots is 20. So either way we get the same answer. So we're done.